What's the meaning of approval? Approval. Approval.
Approval. Approval. Approval refers to the act of officially agreeing to or endorsing something. It is often used in contexts such as legal, governmental, or policymaking processes. When someone gives their approval, it indicates that they have reviewed and deemed the proposal or action appropriate, correct, or satisfactory. Approval can come in different forms, such as a signature, a vote, or a verbal agreement. In some cases, approval may be required before a project can move forward or before a decision can be implemented, and without it, progress may be delayed or halted.